Okay, this is a AL-2 Mori Seiki. This is a 1982 model. And I'll just show you around the machine, show you it working. Hydraulic chuck. Got 8-position turret. They're 1-inch shanks on the tooling. I think I've got 3 end work or center working tools for it. Center working tool holders. Hydraulic tailstock. There we go. Spin up the chuck. Uh, 3,500 RPM is maximum on this machine. It has 2 gears, high and low. We'll get it to change gear here. It does have a tool setter. The only thing this machine does not have, I wish it had, is a chip conveyor. But if you're not doing a whole lot of stuff, it's not a big deal. You just have to fish them out of the bottom. And there we go. 1982 Mori Seiki AL-2. Oh, we do have a USB interface as well for in and out of programs. Okay, thank you.